It's an emergency. You gotta help.
What's wrong?
It's an emergency.
What's
Come
wrong?
on, come on, come on. Come on, hurry. Quick, it's gonna blow up.
All right, what's wrong?
The lights. There's a bunch of lights, and they're blinking. Now let's have it run again.
That's it? This is my day off.
Do you own any other clothes? Hey, my name is Blue, and this is Maintenance Matters, where I'm joined by Weld County Garage Technician.
Watch out, Blue. Let me look.
What does that mean? Is it gonna blow up?
No, that just means you turned on your ignition without starting your car.
Oh.
Anytime you do that, all your indicators are gonna come on just to make sure they're working.
Well, what do the indicators mean?
Well, let's go through a few, and we'll let you know what you need to do if they come on. All right, so first, we've got your check engine light. That just lets you know if something's wrong with your engine or your emission system.
The one that looks like a helicopter?
Yeah, the little orange helicopter.
Got it.
Your next one's gonna be a low oil pressure light. It looks like a red oil can.
Oh, we've done an oil change before.
Yeah, you know what that light looks like.
Okay.
Your next one is your low tire light. It's your little orange, looks like a tire with an exclamation point in it. That's letting you know your tire pressure's low.
Oh, I just thought they were complimenting my tires.
No. So if you see any of these lights pop up, or any other ones you're unsure of, come into Weld County Garage, we'll get them diagnosed and get it all figured out for you.
So it's not going to blow up?
No, not gonna blow up, but that little light right there means you need to go get some freaking gas.
And that's why maintenance matters.
Don't forget to like and share with your friends who also don't speak car.